All right, everybody, this is Victor. You've seen his van before. He built this himself because he's a lunatic is what he is. Yeah. And he's made improvements. And in the interest of the funky van tours, let's take a look.
First improvement, we have a little sink here that it's pull on the drawer. This is how you lock it. Now it's stable, and now we have a water.
That's right. Gravity fed from a, looks like a margarine tub. And you'll never guess his complicated waste system. Look at that. Suitable for framing. I actually love that. That's fine.
And the bowl is kind of removable. Here's the plumbing.
Oh, all right.
So you see it's connected.
This is a man who spent a lot of time in the Home Depot plumbing aisle.
And it's the door gonna kind of have a safety.
That's right.
Here.
It's got a nice cherry walnut stain. That's how they know you come from a good home. Two-tone for your pleasure. All right.
See, we have a swingy thingy for the tire.
That's right. So, long story, but he's carrying the spare tire inside because you gotta.
We have a latch here that is unlocked and release the tire so you can have an easy access to it.
You don't gotta take it out. But there, yeah.
It's a bungee cord that keeps tire in place.
That's called the swingy thingy.
Swingy thingy.
Copyright Victor, 2025, all rights reserved. No, no children were harmed in the making of this.
Well,
I see you have a potted plant.
no, that's actually parsley that I use for cooking, so that's just temporary setting there.
Right. Well, I should add, say what you will about Victor and the way he dresses, but holy shit can he cook. I encouraged him to start a channel called Victor Van Life Cooking, where he makes fabulous foods, all from within the van, all with either things you can steal from fast food restaurants or buy cheaply at Walmart. Because the best food is purloined, is stolen.
Right.
All right.
So now if you take down this bottom of the American flag and open, this is my kind of thingy that I use for cooking, and of course my dry storage where I keep the rest of the thingy for that. So that's a kind of pantry that we have. As you see, everything here, all the panels are used from recycled material that was
also known as stolen from construction sites.
It was
previously gently used
by the construction side that we, you know, appropriated. What else do I have? We do have our computer station that is a little bit messy. There's my printer that goes down. And can, you know, that's must have a printer.
When you got to make a ransom note in a hurry.
Correct. So that's something. Of course, you all know about my laundry chute.
Oh.
Where we keep our laundry. I mean, you need to store that dirty bridges somewhere.
That's right.
You can't just have your. And our oven is still the same. It comes down. Ninja oven.
Nice.
That's
propane or electric?
Electric.
All right.
So this they use quite a bit of power. So if you want to run a Ninja oven, you need to have a generator running.
Here's propane. Where's your cylinder? Oh, right there. I see it.
Right there.
All right. You don't got to pull it out.
No, it's right there.
All right. That'll last you a year cooking in here.
About 3 to 4 months I cook everything.
Yeah, I would think so.
And of course our oven does fold, so it doesn't get in the way of our pallet that we.
Nice.
Well, you know, it's
I love it. I'm not being facetious. This is where it's at, baby.
It's functional. What else do I have? Well, everything else. The cabinets are for the, you know, my tools and everything. I have a little doors here for the tools that I use to store, you know,
nice.
that kind of thing. But, you know,
well, there it is.
Have their own place.
So the lights up here, are they stick-ons or are they?
Well, they're connected to the battery, so we have a on. It's a cooking light for the kitchen, and then we have a regular light. We got a switch, and then we have a bed light.
Oh, I see.
Right there.
That's all DC, I assume, battery, right?
This one is a battery. This one is inverter.
Oh, okay.
So
do you hit your head on the paper towel dispenser often?
What's wrong with my towel dispenser?
Looks like you hit your head on
it. It's a paper. I mean, how bad can it hurt?
That's right.
And of course, you see my TV and all my DVDs and everything.
Wow.
DVD player down there.
And you're holding 2 pallets easily. If you fold the bed up, 3?
If I fold the bed, 3.
All right.
And then we have all our electric here on this side.
All right. Well,
So that's for my heater, electric for battery meter, and all the crap.
did Red put in that roof AC?
Red put the AC, and he put together electrical for the AC. Everything
Oh, okay.
else is from my old van. We have 5 batteries under the bed with the inverter.
Ooh.
Yeah, we can run.
Born to run. All right. Well, that's our tour, kids. Hell of a thing. Carry on.